Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, my YouTube cooking channel. Look what I bring you today, the Limousine Salad, and I will show you how to prepare this delicious salad. So we want to start seasoning our steaks. I got some ribeye steaks. I'm gonna season it with salt, pepper, olive oil, and a little bit of garlic. I will add first of all the oil because with it will the seasoning, so the salt, the pepper, and the garlic powder will stick to it. Yeah, that is the main idea of painting the meat with a little bit of oil in this case. Yeah, it works the same if you use mustard or something like that. And I'm using a little bit of garlic powder, as you see, just slightly touch. Yeah, just to have the taste there on the butter and the oil we're gonna use later on. Yeah, look, I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna repeat the process just like you see in the video. So after you have seasoned it, just leave it on the fridge for around 2 hours to marinate themselves. Yeah, so now we're gonna start with our Venezuelan guasacaca, which is my touch for this dish. I'm gonna add onion, garlic, fresh coriander. I'm gonna add as well a little bit of avocado. Yeah, this one is nice. And I will finish it with a little bit of this case is lemon juice. Yeah, you can also of course use lime juice, which I'm gonna use in the next round because I only got one lemon, and actually I use it with lime, but I had only one, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, for us works both. We want the acidity of the lemon or the lime. Yeah, in this case. So just squeeze it. Add a little bit of olive oil. We need the liquid to make the sauce we are trying to do. You will see how it turns out in just a little bit. Yeah, now just close it, mix it, blend it, and let's see. Well, we gonna try taste it. So we need a little bit of more of acidity. We're gonna add lime, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Yeah, just like that, stouch, and then we got our sauce. This sauce is perfect for tacos, if you're doing tacos, for Venezuelan arepas, empanadas, just a sauce for dipping. Yeah, this is a very nice one. Yeah, it's just fresh avocado and fresh coriander with the acidity. It's just a fantastic sauce. Yeah, for us the Latin American people, we got this sauce everywhere. So now we are gonna finish it, and that's it. On the other side we got our bread. The salad looks very nice with just a rustical bread. Yeah, we got some corn, we got some cucumber which is pre-salted, we got some lettuce mix, our sauce you see there, and this is the rustical bread I'm using. Yeah, you can use any bread you like, of course. Look, I'm gonna use this in long way for slices, which I'm gonna prepare my salad on. Yeah, just like that. I'm gonna cut it into 4 or 5 halves, also, and yep, just around 2.5 centimeters. You will want that. This is our basement for the salad. Yeah? Just like that. You see. This is the one I bought in the bakery on my house. Yeah, in the corner of my house. So now what we're gonna do is gonna add a little bit of oil, and we're gonna toast our bread. Sorry, I mixed with German. So just like you see in the video, we're gonna add a little bit of oil on one of the faces, and we're gonna just toast it, yeah, and then we will do the same procedure on the other way, on the other side of the bread. Okay, so I will move forward here. So now we got a hot pan, has to be very hot, not burning the oil, but hot. And now we're gonna add our butter. This is the butter and the oil, we're gonna melt it. And now we are gonna add our steaks to the pan. Has to be very hot. And we are gonna cook our steaks for 2.5 minutes for each side. And then we're gonna let it rest for a few minutes as well, for at least 5 minutes, that the juices into the steak just get settled and you don't have too much liquid losing while you are cutting it. Yeah, now after 2.5 minutes I will just turn it, if you see. Yeah, and we don't want to burn it, of course, because we're gonna use this kind of sauce we are using at the bottom, which is the fluids of the meat with butter and the oil. So we got our toast broth, which is the basement of our salad. I'm gonna make 4 salads because we are 4 people. I'm gonna use, you see, this one. This is a little bit of taste and a little bit of calories, of course. It doesn't matter if you are doing exercise, you can burn it like I do. So now we are gonna add what I did is this is a little bit of our dressing, our guasacaca, the Venezuelan guasacaca, the sauce I just did. Just gonna add a layer of it now so that our salad sticks to it. Yeah, it's the same idea of when we did the oil to the steak. Yeah, that we want that doesn't get too sliding. Yeah, the food gets slide on the side. Yeah, just a little bit more for this layer, and that's it. Now it's I'm gonna just add slices of cucumber. These are cucumber from my garden. I just peel them off and I add a little bit of salt and just let it them for around 10 minutes. It loses the water and they got very flexible and still crunchy. Yeah, this is the now way to do it. I just like it how it turned out. Yeah, of course. Now I'm gonna top our cucumber and the bread with the salad mix. I just bought a regular salad mix. You can use regular lettuce if you want to, or you can do it yourself with some grated carrot, or you can add also some beet grated as well, etc. But I bought from the grocery store just a mix of salad with carrot and a little bit of cabbage as well. Yeah, I'm just gonna add this to the top, as you may see, and let's move forward here. Now we're gonna add a little bit of corn to our salad. Yeah, just like you see. And now come the interesting phase. We are gonna cut our steaks. Yeah, those are medium rare steaks which I prepare. Look, as you see, they were, the time I was preparing the salad, they were resting. I covered them with a little bit of alu foil, and I'm just gonna cut it in slices and top each of the salads. You will see now in a second. Yeah, let's see the test in the middle. Perfect, medium rare. Oh, just how it has to be. So if you're so far to here, subscribe to the channel, leave your like behind the video, and leave your comments in the comment box below here. Yeah, so I'm gonna continue cutting it, all the 4 steaks, and you will see at the end. And just to finalize it, we're gonna top it with a little bit of our green sauce, our wasakaka sauce, with fresh avocado, fresh coriander. We just blend it and it just looks like that. Yeah, now I'm gonna add on the side a little bit of Polish salad as well, just because a friend who visited us brought salad, and now we're gonna add limousine salad with a Polish salad next to it as a side. So I hope you like it. As I say, I enjoyed the journey. Look, very nice dinner. Wow, just amazing how it turned out. Thank you very much together and have a nice day.